Hello my friends, welcome to Trading BKS. Today is 10th of March 2022. Today is Thursday. So today the market continue to have a good break, a good push up. So probably, okay, the market has recovered from the previous drop. Never mind, we take a look at the chart first, then we want to see what is actually going on. So is this rebound sustainable? Okay, whether there's a window for us to invest or not. Later we take a quick look. So before that, remember to subscribe to the channel, like, share and comment. Hey, you want to open CGS, you want to open trading account, you can try CGS-CIMB account. I got the link there. Fill in the form first. The link is in my Facebook. The link is also in this below this video. In my website. So my Facebook is facebook.com/tradingbks. Twitter is twitter.com/tradingbks. My coffee site is coffee.com. You can buy me coffee. ko-fi.com tradingbks. Okay. So let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Okay, let's check out the KLCI first. So KLCI today breakthrough. Okay, so there is a possibility that this double top has been broken. Okay, so the price could continue up. Okay, can continue up because we have this rebound from RSI 50. Okay, so basically what happened is, if it cannot go through here, we expect it to come down here, then we're gonna buy cheap. Okay, but if we break through, so we have to follow the market. As I said, what Bruce Lee say, be water. Okay, don't say, oh, I see like this, I must I see this way, the market must work this way. Market doesn't necessarily need to work exactly at what we want. Of course, we have to plan first. Okay, we plan and we execute our plan. Okay, so remember I said I got two plan. One plan, if it cannot go through, I want to wait for it to come down here before I buy up. Or second plan, it goes through. Okay, if it goes through, the window is not so big. Okay, if we come up from here, okay, drop to here, the window is bigger, means much more opportunity to make money. This one maybe only short term, so it's not so window so big, but as opportunity arise, right, we have to take it. Okay, when opportunity reveal itself, we have to take it. Just don't jump in when there is no opportunity, right? Okay, when the price is falling, okay, when the price is falling like this, you do jump in. But now we see opportunity, okay, we can go in, we can try this one. Possible the window is not so big, but there is an opportunity, okay, so we can still try some lah. Okay, look at the index, look at the BURSA sentiment 59, gainers 515, losers 352. This cannot be the volume. Let me refresh. Okay, so okay, sentiment is 58, gainers 523, losers 374. Volume is 1.7. Not bad. Quite big. So 18 points up, 1.15%, 1580. Okay, so big drop in the morning after open went up, then big drop, then market start to push up. So on the Thursday, so there is some support on the market. There's some support from the institution. So consumer 1.17 up, industry drop 1.17, construction up 1.37, technology rebound 3.83. So if this technology rebound continue, right? Okay, continue. Okay, after it shows some good pattern, right? It have some breakthrough. Okay, we might want to think about picking up some technology stock. Finance up 2.14, property up 0.56, plantation today drop 1.90, RET up 0.25, energy drop 3.03, healthcare up a bit 1.93, telecommunication up 1.67, transportation up 1.19, utility up 1.13. Okay, so looking at KLCI today, we can try to pick some. Okay, we don't want to go throw in everything. If it comes down to here, rebound, okay, possible we're going to throw in everything. But if we rebound from here, it's quite risky, okay, but we can still, there is possible still a window, okay, to try, because today if it goes up here, right, if tomorrow it drop back below, okay, drop back below means it's a false break, it still can have a big drop, so you have to be very careful on this one. Maybe just play some first, okay, pick up some, it's okay, but don't go all in, don't go all in first, it's not ideal, okay, but we can slowly pick up. If it goes up, continue goes up, then tomorrow, next week, we can start to pick up stock again. Possible this wave, got another wave up. Okay, look at top gainers today. MPI, we already talked about yesterday. So, Nestle only a small volume. Hongleong FG, not very big volume, but take a look lah. DNO, already talked about yesterday. So, SAM got some volume, take a look. Hongleong Bank, take a look. Dufu talked about it yesterday already. Inari, maybe take a look at Inari. But small volume. SCGM, want to take a look. SCGM, like something is going on. SCGM. CMB also, we have to take a look. Public Bank, take a look. Big volume, Public Bank, very big volume. Maybank, not so big volume. HONGSENG, we take a look. Some want to rebound again, looks like. Penta, already talked yesterday. DG Maxis also got some rebound, take a look. Unisem, all these are technology lah. RSP also got some volume, take a look. So market, they are look like there are some opportunity, okay, or some opportunity presented. So that's why there is some possibility that it might have there is a possibility that it might rebound over here. So this is our second strategy. First strategy, the best one is come down here. If it doesn't come down, go. If it comes down here, we can, okay, also try some. Unless tomorrow or next week it drop back below this line, then we have to out. So we slowly pick up some. Don't go all in here. I will not go all in here. Here, yes. Here, no. Okay, so today I got post a little bit about this one. Today, this morning, oil drop, still up a bit, so still keep an eye on the steel, or aluminium drop, and palm oil up, palm oil futures up, so yesterday also went up a bit, so palm oil just keep track. Okay, HONGSENG, take a look. Well, HONGSENG rebound again. This was very weird. Came down here, rebound again. Okay, HONGSENG, if you cut loss, then forget about it. Don't chase. Or if you haven't cut loss, continue to keep and see what happens. Because this move didn't make it. So this move came again. It's like what? What we call it? The momentum is not very strong It's something like a fake move If the momentum is strong, right? This move, right? Okay, this move, okay, should just come down here and rebound again. It comes down to here, rebound again. It's not very strong If you haven't throw it, maybe you hold it for a few more days, see how far it go. If you throw already, just forget about it first See what happened. HONGSENG. Or you want to try collect back a little bit also can it's up to you It's up to you If it's a very good move it should not have came back to here This is just what I'm saying. You see, right? A breakout here, right? You see, this is a sideways, right? This is a sideways, right? Sideways. Similar to here, right? You see, after it break above, right? It doesn't come back to here. Or this one, it come back. It's not very good, not very good, not good, not to say very good, but there is some potential. It can go up again. Inari, take a look. Inari, okay, Inari got a big pump up. Inari. Let me see. How do we want to deal with all this technology? There's no breakthrough yet. Okay, wait for some breakthrough in order if you want to start to buy in. You see that it's still inside this downtrend channel. After it break through this channel, maybe we can consider, consider to play again. Consider play again. When there is a resistance over here. Okay, there is resistance over here. At least you have to go through this resistance first. This resistance first. Now just wait and see. Don't see 20%. I want to jump in. It goes up 10-20%. It can also drop 10-20% tomorrow. So we have to be careful. Wait for some breakthrough first. For me, I will wait for some breakthrough first. RHB Bank, Hong Leong. So RHB is trying to go up again. So continue to hold. It's trying to go up to test the 6 ringgit again. Hong Leong FG. Okay, Hong Leong FG come back to here for you to take profit again at the take profit area. Okay, so it's coming back up again. Maybe take some profit. If you haven't take any profit here, maybe it goes up again near 20 ringgit. Take some profit first. CARLBERG. There's one friend in the comment there. I forgot what his name. He said now people all stress up. All go up drink beer. That's why the CARLBERG Heineken all go up. Because of the COVID inflation everything. So CARLBERG has a big drop already that day after a very good report. Big drop. So CARLBERG cannot buy yet Cannot buy yet. Still not very good. If you have still holding it, okay still can hold probably still can go up. If you haven't buy, maybe go through 21 first or it's a big drop because of inflation, all the raw material all goes up. So a lot of stress in this producer on this production company producing food, producing daily use, daily consumption item, even beer. I think possible also will be a lot of pressure. SAM. Okay, SAM trying to rebound. SAM, there is a possibility it can rebound after the split. 3.6, there's possible it can rebound up to here, the resistance here. If you're holding SAM or you want to buy SAM, maybe you can try. There is a possibility it can rebound from 3.6 to 4.9. Maybe 18%. Stop loss is 3.63. Okay, but this is a minor rebound. This is not an uptrend. Okay, this is just a short rebound. Short-term rebound. Remember alert wave, first wave, second wave, third wave, fourth wave, fifth wave. Okay, then possible it will change the direction either here. So there is another small rebound wave for you to run. For you to run, there's another rebound wave for you to run. Invest is not so good but if you are holding a good chance to run. Okay, SCGM. I think something is coming. I think SCGM already broke through this one. SCGM, I think the channel is like that. So SGGM already broke out the channel. It did a double bottom. Look at this, a double bottom. Okay. Next is here. Okay, SGGM is a breakthrough 2.25. Maybe possible it can come back to here. Okay, 2.54. So if this one goes through 2.25, okay, you can target it. Okay, maybe can try target at 2.54. Earning coming, I think they should be very good. The earning. Okay, should be improvement earning. Yeah, I think this one can. If tomorrow goes up again, maybe can pick up some. Look for 2.43 and 2.54. Stop loss is here, 1.98. So quite big stop loss. So have to be careful. 10%, 12% stop loss. Maybe don't put so big stop loss here. Pick it a bit smaller stop loss. Here, 2.95 Don't put too big a stop loss. CIMB Public Bank. Today a lot. So CIMB trying to rebound, but downtrend is still down. Trend is still down. Still cannot play first. Maybank. Okay, Maybank already take profit here. This one Maybank best wait for it to drop lower first. It's still too high to chase now. I think a bit too high to chase. If you already take profit here, okay, then because this is a dividend play, this too scary. Dividend play. After the dividend, taken the dividend, after dividend, right? So it might drop. So this one, better not chase. Better not chase first. See what happens first. Public Bank continue up. So Public Bank continue to hold. Okay, we plot Public Bank here 4.2 and 4.2, 4.20, 4.25. Now coming back to our first target around here. So here take some profit first, then we try and see whether it can go through this MIDF or not. So we are here around 12%. We take some here first, so whether then we keep some, whether see it can go through there, go through MIDF or not. 5.1. DG Maxis Axiata today got some rebound. We take a look. Axiata. Okay, Axiata still because dividend dividend play very difficult. You buy in after dividend, it might drop. Nah, I'm not keen. DG also not keen. DG maybe got chance. Look like head and shoulder. But too volatile. Too scary to play. This telco. Better play others. Maxis also drop like crazy. So target also very near. Their valuation also. The Nanga give 4.3, 4.5. So nothing much to play. Not much to play. DG also Kenanga give 3.8. Some more, but this one RHB got 4.8. Maybe this one got chance. If break through 4.0, maybe can try DG. If we break through 4.09, maybe can try. Maybe put alarm. Axiata, same thing. Axiata 3.96. You go through 3.96, maybe can try. Axiata. Just put alarm there. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll talk to you again tomorrow. This evening, sorry. Bye-bye.